somebody home? Is anybody home? Just hit the freaking button, monkey. I don't know what the code is. Evie had a problem. You didn't hit that button, did you?
What are you two doing? What you got there? Is that 1/2 inch?
No, they're 9/16.
That's the wrong size.
We know. How do you know that's the wrong size?
Don't mom this around on me. I'm asking the questions. Where'd you get them?
Someone gave them to us. Tommy.
Tommy who?
Tough Knuckle Tommy.
You don't know Tough Knuckle Tommy.
Yeah, he says you're weak and has to go to the gym.
Maybe you do know Tough Knuckle Tommy. Hey YouTube, we're just kidding. Don't flag us. We got these legally. My buddy Tommy goes down to Woodward and gets them at a scrapyard. They sell them by the pound. So, I mean, maybe somebody stole them, but it wasn't us. We paid money for them. So, this is going to be one of our winter projects. We're going to do some more shop art, kind of like our 57 hood. So, I got a couple of these we're going to play with. So, alright. Should we get to the video? Welcome to our 46 Chevy truck build. Hey YouTube, we're gonna do a little painting today. I got the frame outside warming up in nature's oven. Probably my last good weekend. Hell, I might even paint outside. So we're gonna cook that up. I'm gonna clean it. Clean up some of those parts. And get to spraying. Alright, we're going with smoke gray today. Spoiler alert, it looks like this. We already painted the 9-inch. And we have some supplies that my buddy Brian sent me. Thanks, Brian. He saw me spill about $100 of paint the last time I painted all over. And he knew I needed some help. And then to make it real official, we got a hog shooter stickers. Now we're legit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. We're just gonna wing it. We're going 8 color, 4 reducer, and 1 part hardener. Okay, here we go. I got my training wheels on. Oh, that's a lot better. Go ahead, you actual painters can pick on me. I don't care, I can take it. Got the coffee shakes again. There we go. Steady. It's not a good sign. Shaking that bad already. Perfect. Here we go. Okay, tank's done. Got 2 coats on it. I'm gonna head out there and do the frame outside like Greta Thunberg wants. Not really. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see shit. But I painted the inside first. When I primered it, I painted the outside because that was
easy.
what made me happy.
Yeah.
And then I had to lean over it the whole rest of the time.
Yeah, you're learning.
So I got the inside. I gotta mix some more.
Bring it down this end.
There's 2 coats. I got some audience today. I just watched a YouTube video. They'd had her done by now. Hey, that's 2 coats. I'm gonna go get some lunch and let this harden up. Alrighty. It's drying quick in the sun. Then we'll clear it. Call our day. Mixy. I'm not sure if you guys can tell a difference. Get out of there so there's no shadow. There's the clear. We'll let that dry and do one more coat. Here's the tank. Okay, this dried up nice. I don't know if you can see, I got a couple. Damn it. Got a couple light spots right here. So I'm probably just gonna mix up half a batch of paint. Paint clear, I mean. Hit some of those light spots and then maybe just hit the flat edges one more time. There's so much going on here, this way and bottom. Everything gets overspray on it by the time I'm done. So I'm just gonna hit my couple little boo-boos and then hit the outside real nice one more time. Maybe I can find a way to set my phone up so I don't spray the hell out of it. Make it a little more interesting. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna call that good enough. This side looks pretty smooth and shiny, but oh boy, man, you get this thing painted and cleared, you can see all my grind marks, especially on the old metal. Can you see it in there? Holy shit, I imagine that's what the cellulite on Betty Crocker's ass looks like. Woo! I should have put a little more time into that or block sanded it, I don't know. It's just a frame. I've spent years on it. This is a good day. It's done. It is done. Assemble now. I'm gonna let it cook out here in the sun a little bit, push it back in. If you guys ever build a little homemade rotisserie with these engine stands, I was pushing it out and that thing about fell bass backwards on me. The big block, the bigger one like this one works better. But yeah, I about flipped her over this morning. So I got everything offloaded. I gotta come back here one more time. I got a couple small things I gotta paint. Here's my bars. This looks like my rear sway bar arms. Looks like I gotta cut them and drill them still. So I gotta come back and paint those up. I got a drive shaft at home. I think that's the last of the little pieces I need to paint. And then when I come back next weekend to do the little stuff, I'll pull this off the rotisserie, put it back on jack stands, because I want to make sure I got coverage in the areas where my bars are holding, because I don't think I got a lot of paint in there. Know what I'm saying? Get it all coated nice. I don't think I got this back bar very well behind here, my rear support. Looks a little light. Hard to see, hard to get good coverage in there. So soon I'm gonna take all this stuff, and then I'm gonna take all this stuff. There's all my Mustang 2, I already painted that last time. The cab's right here. This is my winter project. Gonna bring this home. At first glance, the floor doesn't look bad, but you never know. So that's coming home with me in the fall. We're gonna put it all together, so make sure you subscribe, don't miss that, and see you next time, citizens.